Is your credit union warm and inviting, but you're still battling that frigid reputation of the banking world? How can you stand out against the big banks when you're offering brochures with stock images? Your credit union is dedicated to its members and its community, so it's important that they know it. I'm Angela from Angela Wolf Video. We help credit unions create branded video content to build trust, educate members, recruit talent, and connect with the community. We offer custom projects based on your needs. But for credit unions that want to invest in growth, we've created a done-for-you social media video package. We take care of the strategic planning, script writing, filming at your branch, video editing, social copywriting, and posting on your social media. This means connecting with future members while telling your story. Find out how we give personality to your content at Angela Wolf Video. Inquire on our website to get a free quote.